They see me in, I won never losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, I ran it up from the start to the end. But you just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I ran it on.
Yo, what up guys? It is Jeffrey here with 2 Deep Mafia. It's the weekend before Busco and we're here getting my boy Big Greasy. We're here getting his Can-Am right. Putting some new wheels and tires on it, so we're gonna show y'all what it look like when it's done. But you know, we're just doing last minute Busco prep. T-minus how many days, Country Crack?
I think it's exactly 5 days away from the day, or 4 days. I'm not sure. I just woke up. I'm half asleep, man. I ain't even going to cat.
Tell us about your Can-Am, Daniel.
It was a 2019 XMR 850. Got like 200 hours on it. Ain't got much done to it with snorkels, and it's been tuned and exhaust. But we finna change that. Stay tuned a little bit. Come on.
Y'all stay tuned. Y'all watch this.
They say GTA wasted. Lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you.
See, had to make a little slight modification because the tires were hitting, so we had to cut it, the metal flaps, but she gonna look right.
The blind getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down.
I'm helping you just to watch you sink this thing in the fit video. You're sinking it in the fit video. You're sinking it in the fit video. Okay?
Does that?
Okay.
Does that say that says one thing right there, and it ain't fucking sinking.
Okay. Okay. We'll see.
Yeah.
I believe if I was Craven Tire right now, I'd charge you for just mounting this bitch about 8 times.
I believe Craven Tire wouldn't even hire us.
I believe I'm dropping that setup on that one.
Surreal.
This ain't no Lucky 7 plate right now, boy. This is that big greasy stuff. It's a little rusty. What's up to you? $15. They're usually about 70, 75. What's up to you? 15. Renegade, 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 renegade. I had to renegade until I blew the clutches up. That's why I don't have a renegade no more. That bitch said I need about $1,700 to get them back. I said, let the chat. Had a stage 2, 3 renegade clutch on it. That's what you needed, fuck boy. Now, this is the same guy last night that said, ain't gonna cap. That Renegade, when you cut it on, it sounded like a Harley chopping when he cut it on. You know I had the loudest Renegade.
Yeah, it sounded like that in the whole
And I'm calling 336 out on that. I had the loudest Renegade, baby. I did.
Oh, it was loud in the bottom of that hole when it went, well, boom, yeah. 270 going on.
That's why I don't have a Renegade. So I can leave right now. I can leave right now.
He ain't got a phone, so how people come
Or
over?
ride, yeah, or ride. Oh no, never mind.
Toyota
pulled up. Toyota pulled up.
Toyota pulled up. Yo, check out the.
Yeah.
Look, we serve up that Monday through Sunday, like precisely, okay? Monday through Sunday. Trap house like Monday through Sunday. I'm dead ass. Come see me.
I'll be open at Busco all weekend.
I'm gonna say it. The Screams ain't on it for a reason. That just
Look at the scrims over there, man. Look.
You said what?
4K, man. You look cute.
Do I really? How cute do I look?
Cute.
Like how cute?
Like cute.
Like pretty cute.
I'll kiss you right now.
Oh.
Honestly, Daniel, man, you think about it. You got the ultimate like water wheelie bike right now. This probably pick up so easy in water right now. With them.
No, right now you have the ultimate, you know, eye catcher. This thing ain't gonna be hitting the water now. If you forgot, there's a bell on the bed.
That's a mud bike right here.
There's a bell on it, but she ain't hitting the water.
He trying to joke. He said if you got a belt on your shit, I got a belt.
Once
Hold
she
on
get
now.
about right there,
I got a belt, bro. I got a belt. What are you trying to say?
I gotta start slipping. She ain't no Honda, okay? Me and Riley 2 times gonna be, you know, chilling. Y'all gonna be draining that air box. Then you're gonna be draining that belt box. Come on. Better keep your impact on y'all all weekend, bud. Better keep it on you, cause you're gonna be like, zzz, zzz, zzz. Water in my belt box.
That's the poster boy for all y'all Honda boats out there.
Exactly.
I gotta support them Hondas, man. I've been on a Renegade 1000.
Oh my, here we go with the Renegade.
I've been on a
Exactly.
Force, man. I've had power, bro. Ain't worried about no power. I wanna go deep. Honda.
Man, no.
Listen,
I'm pretty sure a minute of this video is gonna be you saying Renegade. I'm pretty sure.
I had to get rid of the Renegade, okay? Cause I was going about 77 on that
Hey,
thing
she's
on
sitting.
Highway
Yeah,
70.
bro. Huh? Look, she's sitting down. Yeah, look at that. Look at that difference.
So why are you trying to pick me up?
What are you doing?
Bud, what are you doing? Someone's got to keep these fans on the channel.
It ain't a Honda. It's gonna be the Outlander next weekend.
Y'all comment down below who won that battle. Me or Pete with the Can-Am on the old 29.
Listen,
On 32s.
I had two broken
Hold
axles.
on, country what? Cracker.
Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie.
I didn't know if you didn't think I knew what I was doing, you know what I'm saying?
Pete, I don't know. Them funny,
You've
man.
been complaining this last hour and a half. Like I haven't been doing nothing right. Just know when I leave here, I'm collecting my hourly rate. I'm gonna collect some tools. I'm gonna collect a little bit of oil for the weekend.
Well, just know next
And
weekend
some
I'm collecting the
gasoline.
Honda.
He said hole for hole. The Honda going down, Pete. What you gonna do, bro?
I got work Saturday. I'm not even going.
Okay.
I'm not even going.
Exactly.
Man, won't even show the hell up.
Exactly. Come on,
He's
Pete.
talking a lot of shit to only be in one video.
No. He's been in two, bitch. This is gonna be the second one,
2
okay?
out of the 8 on the channel.
Okay. Oh.
Somebody got to bring the views.
Yes,
Exactly.
Country Crackers videos over there, like the Cooking Network, about boring, bro.
I bring the views because the ladies are definitely checking out the channel. Just know that, okay? I bring the views, okay?
Honestly, I look at the statistics, and I think like 95% of our viewers are males. So, what you got to say about that, Pete?
What? That 5%'s all me.
Police right behind me, so I had to speed up. Sitting in the back of the Tahoe, leaned up. We just crossed the border, drinking margaritas. What you want? A new salon. Let's do my song, put you on. I'll break you off. I want the job. If you sneaking on a nigga, I'ma find out. Whip it right out. 20 bitches in the
Solely on the beat, wait.
What do you think, Dan? You happy with it?
Yeah. I'm kind of hurt. We had to, do some cutting, but we ain't cutting, we ain't thugging.
Exactly. See, what do you think of it, Pete? You think she gonna do something?
She gonna do something.
Oh yeah.
She gonna do something.
She gonna do something.